Dear students, very good morning to all of you. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Dear students, in my earlier class, I had discussed about the early states and their economies during 600 BCE to 600 CE. Dear students, now today I am going to discuss with you all about the Mahajanpada during the 6th century. Students, after inventing the iron, after invention of iron, the society of, of early peoples during the 6th century BC has been totally changed. Has been totally changed. Their economic status changed. What during 6th century BC, the society after invention of iron totally changed. What were changed? Students, after the invention of iron, change in agriculture, change in their hunting and gathering processes, all those. But their economic status has been totally changed. First, the change of their economic status. Economic status. They become economically progressive. After the progress of economy, after progress in economy, their social status also will be changed. Their social status also will be changed. After economy and social status change, then political status will be changed also. The political transformation also will be changed. The peoples of that society taking interest in politics of their relatives of their society. They taking interest in their political status. The political status of society also changed. Due to the iron, here the society changed, but there is a regional revolution also, religional revolution also. There are two religion origin during the 6th century BC who got the progression, who are getting progresses day by day. The religions are, first is Buddhism and second is Jainism. After the progress of economic, social and political, the society is divided into the different parts. First, they live in a small society. They were known as Kabila. After the Kabila, they converted into Jan. After that, Janpad. After that, Mahajanpad. Here students, Mahajanpad, if we will categorize the Mahajanpad, students try to understand this Mahajanpad, this theory into the circle medium, like this is Kabila and after that it becomes Jan, then Janpad and then Mahajanpad. People used to live in the 6th century BC in the Indus Valley region into a small kabilas. After invention of iron, they move eastward directions. They move eastward direction and used to live in that areas where the iron invented, where the agricultural practices are going. They used to live there. Slowly, they going to be progress from the small kabila to Janpad, after that Mahajanpad. अगर हम महाजनपद को संधि विच्छेद करें तो महाजनपद यानी कि जहां पर लोगों के बहुत पैर पड़े, यानी कि जहां पर लोगों के पैर पड़े उसको जनपद बोला गया। जहां पर बहुत सारे लोगों के पैर पड़े, बहुत सारे लोग रहने लगे एक साथ, उसको महाजनपद कहा गया। इन महाजनपद के बारे में जो हमें जानकारी मिलती है, द सोर्सेस through which we are getting information about the Mahajanpad, they are the Buddhist text, one of the Buddhist text. The name of that text is Angyutta Nikaya. Angyutta Nikaya. From the Angyutta Nikaya, we get information about the Mahajanpada. And one of the texts of Jain text, which is Bhagavati Sutra. Dear students, from these two sources we get information about the 16th Mahajanpada in 6th century BC. 6th century BC. Students, now we will talk about these Mahajanpadas. In all these 16 Mahajanpadas, not all of them are monarchy system. In all these 16, 2 Mahajanpadas are as where the republican status were. Monarchy and republican. Two kinds of government running over in all those 16 Mahajanpadas. Monarchy, the system where the peoples, where the kings ruled over the society. And after the kings, his son, his grandson, all these dynasties grown and rule over there. That means republican, the peoples, the rulers elected by the common people. So students, leave all those things and we will now discuss about the 16th Mahajanpada. Hope you all will understand all those things what I have written over there. Now students, we are going to discuss about the 16th Mahajanpad. Students, these 16 Mahajanpada has been categorized into three main states of India. Into two main states of India. Not three, two main states of India. First Bihar and second Uttar Pradesh. After that, there is one of the, in Bihar, there are 3 Mahajanpadas. First, Magad. सेकेंड अंग, थर्ड वजी। These three Mahajanpada rule over in Bihar. Rule over in Bihar. The capital of Magad. Capital of Magad. In earlier time, there is Rajgri. Rajgri. Before Rajgri, there was Girivraj. Girivraj. Capital of Magad. Capital of Ang. अंग की जो कैपिटल थी वो थी चंपा। चंपा वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ अंग। अंग जो महाजनपद था, अंग महाजनपद की स्टोरी आप लोगों ने महाभारत में सुनी होगी। आप सभी लोगों ने एक वीर पुरुष, एक बहुत ही शक्तिशाली राजा, बहुत ही बहादुर राजा जिसका नाम अंगराज कर्ण था, आपने उसके बारे में जरूर सुना होगा। अंग का जो रिलेशन है वो महाभारत काल से भी है। अंग की जो कैपिटल थी, द कैपिटल ऑफ अंग वाज चंपा एट दैट टाइम। बिफोर चंपा मालिनी वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ अंग। आफ्टर दैट वजी। द कैपिटल ऑफ वजी वाज वैशाली। In Vaji is a kind of not a monarchical system. It has a republican. यहाँ पर गणतंत्र था जिसको संघ के द्वारा शासित किया जाता, संघ के द्वारा यहाँ पर शासन चलता था। वज जो था ये 8 जनपदों का, 8 जनपद का समूह था। It is a group of 8 janpad where the Lichvi is more powerful. Lichvi is much more powerful. Where you all are aware about the Lichvi. लिच्छवी गणराज्य की जो कन्या, आप लोगों ने जैन टेक्स्ट, जैन के जो फाउंडर थे जिनको माना जाता है महावीर स्वामी की माँ जो थी, जिनका नाम त्रिशला था। महावीर की माता का नाम त्रिशला। महावीर की माता त्रिशला जो है राजा चेतक की बहन थी। राजा चेतक की बहन थी जो कि लिच्छवी गणराज्य से संबंध था जिनका। आफ्टर दैट वी विल टॉक अबाउट द उत्तर प्रदेश। उत्तर प्रदेश हैव 8 महाजनपद। 8 महाजनपद। स्टूडेंट्स, उत्तर प्रदेश हैव 8 महाजनपद। द 8 महाजनपद इज that Uttar Pradesh have. First is Kasi. The capital of Kasi was Varanasi. Varanasi was the capital of Kasi. After that, Koshal. Capital city of Koshal was Shravasti. And other capital is Saket. The Koshal has two capitals. In northern region, Shravasti ruled, and in southern region, Saket ruled. Okay, Koshal has two capitals, Shravasti and Saket. But if anybody will ask to you that the importance of Shravasti is much more than Saket, you will simply answer the capital of Koshal Mahajanpad was Shravasti. Is it clear, students? After that, Koshal, Koshal चेदी, 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 चेदी is important. Chedi is ruled by the Shishupal. You all of you aware about the Shishupal. शिशुपाल का संबंध आप सभी लोगों ने जाना होगा, क्योंकि भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने उनके 99 शिशुपाल के 99 गलतियों को माफ किया था और 100वीं गलती पर शिशुपाल का वध किया था. It is not much more important at that time, but it is also a Mahajanpad during the 6th century BC. After that, Kuru. The capital city of Kuru was Indraprastha. Indraprastha is now at present time the known is Delhi. Kuru, Panchal. The capital city of Panchal was Ahichatra. The capital city of Panchal was Ahichatra. After that, Sursen. The capital city of Sursen was Mathura. After the Sursen, there is Mal. The capital city of Mal was Kushinagar. Present time its location near about Devariya. Kushinagar was famous. Mal has also a republican status. During the 6th century BC. The Mal dynasty was, Mal Mahajanpad was famous for the Mahaparinirvan of Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha got Mahaparinirvan in the Mal Mahajanpad. The capital city of Mal was Kushinagar. Next, the last one is Vat. आठवां जो है आपका, जो 8 नंबर का जो महाजनपद है, जिसको वत्स बोलते हैं. These 8, if we will comprise the only in 2 states, there are 11 Mahajanpadas. I will recall all of 11 in a one side. In Bihar, Magad, Ang and Vaji. The capital city of Magad was Rajgrihi or Grivaj. Nowadays it is Pataliputra. Later it become Pataliputra. Ang, the capital city of Ang was Champa. Vaji, the capital city of Vaji is Vaisali. And now in UP, Kasi, Varanasi, Kosal, Sravasti, Chedi, ruled by the Shishupal. Kuru, Indraprastha, Panchal, Ahichatra, Sursen, Mathura, Mal, Kushinagar and Vats. These 8 are in Uttar Pradesh. After that, we will go in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh have one Mahajanpad. In Madhya Pradesh, one Mahajanpad is, that is Avanti. The capital city of Avanti was Ujjain. And one in Rajasthan. The Rajasthan has the Matsya Mahajanpad. Matsya Mahajanpada is Rajasthan. The capital city of Matsya was Viratnagar. विराटनगर. अगर आज के रेफरेंस में विराटनगर का पोजीशन देखा जाए, लोकेशन देखा जाए, तो इट इज इन जयपुर. इट इज इन जयपुर, नियर जयपुर. और एक महाजनपद ऐसा था जो कि हमारे दक्षिण भारत में, सदर्न इंडिया, रिलेटेड फ्रॉम सदर्न इंडिया, इन आंध्र प्रदेश. The Mahajanpad was, that is Asmak. The capital city of Asmak was Potli. Capital city of Asmak was Potli. If we will recall 3, 8, 11 and 3, 14 and 2 or more, which are apart from India. First one is Gandhar. The capital city of Gandhar was Taxila. Taxila was very famous during the Mauryan Empire. The greatest teacher of Mauryan Empire, during the Mauryan Empire, the name of that teacher was Chanakya. Chanakya related from the Taxila. He was a professor. He was a professor in Taxila University at that time. Students, after that, one remain. This is your 15, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 one, that is Kamboj. The Kamboj nowadays lies in the border area of Afghanistan. The capital city of Kamboj was Hatak or Rajpur. Hatak or Rajpur was the capital of Kamboj. So students, these are the 16th Mahajanpadas and their importance, their capital. These are the 16th Mahajanpada and their capitals. Students, later we will discuss in my next class about the most powerful Mahajanpada among all these, that was Magad. In my next video, I will be discuss about the emergence of Magad. Okay, thank you students.